Welcome to Jessi Fit Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible. Today we're doing the classical Pilates exercise, open leg rocker. I'm going to take you through the classical way that Joseph Pilates did it himself. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment so you can see all of these exercises next. We're going to start out on our mat. Slide your hips to the front, grab onto your ankles, and extend those legs long in the shape of a V. Drop your chin down, rock back, and then rock up, trying to balance. As you can see, it's not that easy. I exhale back and inhale up. Make sure that you never rock onto your neck, and the whole time my tailbone stays forward and my chest stays slightly lifted. The hardest part is really sticking that landing at the top. To get there, if you're just starting your Pilates journey, I'm going to show you some modifications so that you can get that balance down before you rock. If you try to balance on your butt and extend one leg at a time, it'll give you the chance to learn how to balance on that tailbone with your tail to slightly tuck forward, and you'll get used to the flexibility you need for your legs. Then you can grab the ankles from the inside and try a few rocks like that before you can extend the legs. You'll see that I start to take my legs outside of my knees, and that will make it a little bit harder. The next phase after that would be to extend the legs, and then you're going right into that full open leg rocker. I hope you enjoyed my description of open leg rocker. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll be uploading the rest of the March Madness exercises soon. This is your home to strengthen, stretch, and smile.